Description of Precise Panel Saw Series. Precise panel saw is mainly suitable to all kinds of wood panel, shaving board, blockboard, and medium-density fiberboard for precision cutting, 45-degree cutting, and from 45-degree to 90-degree cutting. This saw has many advantages of high accuracy, simple operation, stable performance, safety and stability, and so on. The advanced ball differential structure of sliding table promises the precise positioning, and the double blaze fitting makes the cutting smoothly and straightly. HSC Precise Panel Saws as the modern device has been the first choice for high-end furniture and wood products industry. Our panel saw includes 4 series of dozen models, such as A model 90 degrees, D model, and MJZ model, which can satisfy different clients' requests all over the world. A model is economic, has simple structure, full functions, and easier operation. D model is medium with automatic and manual operation to meet different requests. MJZ mode is senior with automatic rib fans. The precision ball screw with servo motor make the precise positioning, and the touchscreen makes more clear and simple operation. Our motors from famous manufacturers all over the world have the advantages of high quality and energy efficient, and many electrical parts are directly imported from Europe. The key mechanical parts are specially processed in CNC Mechanical Center. The precision is superior in domestic market. The imported cylindrical guide of sliding table ensures high precision and long life. The main blade up and down uses linear guide and grease conveniently by adding the filler. The humanizing control system is easier to operate but meeting the precise cutting requests. The main blade and crossed angle can be shown by digital readout.